Okay, this video is why do doctors sell out? Andrew Huberman versus Peter Rogers. So let's take a look at Andrew Huberman. He's a muscular guy. He's got, as many tattoos as a heroin addict or like a gangbang extra in a porno film. He's a 47-year-old neuroscientist, researcher, college professor at Stanford. Dr. Rogers is a 60-year-old imaging-guided surgeon. He was a college wrestler, actually, at Stanford years ago. Also, imaging-guided surgeon, neuroradiologist, expert on nutrition, toxicology, study skills, author of 20 books. He has 0 tattoos. He's a real Christian, writes books about it, Best Christian Art, Holy Grail Wisdom Quotes, etc. Andrew Huberman, he teaches at Stanford at the undergraduate level. He teaches, he basically reads from an undergraduate textbook. It's like, if for people who know neuroscience, it's like baby talk, a snooze fest. And is he a real Christian or not? I don't know. Actually, I kind of like him. I could see myself having friends like him. And we would be friends if we met each other in real life. But there are significant differences. Dr. Rogers teaches at a level of neuroscience beyond what fellowship-trained neurologists know, beyond what brain researchers know. Most nutrition experts won't even interview him because he criticizes supplements and the toxins in food and some things in the healthcare system. They're afraid he'll steal their audience, and also because he talks about Christianity, etc. Andrew Huberman says that he likes to eat olive oil in moderation, and watch out for that word moderation. That's usually when somebody says that, they're BSing you, and that he likes to eat butter. So he's a real nutrition expert there. His videos often have 10-minute intros with no useful info, but they love him. He gets interviewed by all the bro science, phony health channels. He gets invited on late night TV shows, you name it. He's super famous. He's the most famous neuroscientist in the world. Okay. Dr. Rogers usually gets right to the point in his videos. When it comes to a topic, let's just talk about an important topic, F- in the water. UB makes a video saying that F- in the water is okay, that people quite often will want some, that it's good for teeth, it's reasonable to want that. Okay, that's sort of like the standard party line message, if you will, on F-. Okay, what does Dr. Rogers say? He says that, he tells the public the truth. F- is toxic to the testicles. It's going to lower your sperm counts. It's going to promote infertility. It's toxic to the spine, skeletal fluorosis. A guy named Dr. Reddy wrote a book about that, a neurosurgeon. It's toxic to the brain. It lowers IQ, decreases cognitive function. Al is added to the water, and that synergizes to increase the neurotoxicity of F-. So it seems pretty clear that whoever's promoting that wants to lower IQs, especially children where they have a less well-formed blood-brain barrier. Pregnant mothers drinking this garbage. It's an insecticide, a rodenticide. Halogens, a vertical column in the periodic table of elements, they kill stuff, okay? You sterilize stuff with iodine prep, okay? You sterilize a pool with chlorine or with bromine, for example, okay? There's the truth, all right? So what's the difference in their internet careers? UB gets millions of views on his videos. He's got millions and millions of subscribers. He makes millions of dollars. He's super rich. He sells supplements. Okay, Dr. Rogers gets, several hundred views on a video. His channel is not monetized. He gets 0 money from the internet. He works full-time in conventional medicine to make his dollars. He doesn't promote or sell any supplements. He only takes B12 like all vegans do. So anyways, why do they sell out? UB's a millionaire, and he's got 5 women in his bed. Dr. Rogers makes no money from his internet work, and he currently has 0 women in his bed. I think I understand why doctors often sell out.